Hello everybody, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we have got you another video. In this video I will be showing you how you can go ahead and delete comment history right there in your TikTok app. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's go ahead and step into our video. So if you want to do so, first of all, what you gotta do is simply go ahead and update your app, and then once done, go ahead open your app up. Once your app is open, what you're gonna do is simply go ahead and tap on this profile icon given right below. Once you do that, you will be able to find this kind of interface. Go ahead, tap on the three horizontal line above and tap on the settings and privacy. And now what you gonna do is simply go ahead scroll down, find this content display section and comment and watch history. Go ahead, tap on that, and now you will be able to find this comment history option. Go ahead, tap on it, and now you will be able to see all of the comments that you have done so far right in your TikTok. So if you want to delete a particular one, you can simply go ahead, tap on that particular comment right over there. It will redirect you to this one. Simply go ahead, long press on that comment, and you will be able to find this delete option. Tap on that one and that comment will be deleted. Apparently do not have an delete all or history right over here, so for that purpose you would have to go to the individual comments and delete them like that. So yes guys, this is how you can simply do it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time.